Y'all make sure y'all go in the bio and make sure that y'all purchase these lovely Miss Netta and Charles seasoning. And then again, thank you guys so much for y'all support. Thank you guys so very much for purchasing the seasons. Thank y'all so much. And again, I want to mention it one more time before I get off of here, because I'm not gonna probably address it anymore again. I want to give my deepest apology to the Jamaican communicate people, and I want to let them know that I apologize for saying that their food was bad. I didn't mean it like that their food was bad. What I meant was that the result that we stayed on, food was not good at all. But I did not mean to you guys that y'all have bad food and y'all food is nasty. I did not mean that. So any of y'all that's watching, that's thinking about going to Jamaica, the food ain't nasty. Just don't go to the resort I went to. Just stay away from the resorts. Go to the restaurants and stuff like that. Don't eat their food. Because I guarantee you, I promise you, if our cars and stuff would have been working, we would have been at a restaurant in Jamaica. Okay? But we couldn't. So that was our fault. It wasn't Jamaica's fault or nothing like that. That was our fault. But again, I'm sorry. Thank y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for watching. My seasons is in the bio. And I love all of y'all as well too. And just like I say, y'all, today is Tuesday. It is a blessed Tuesday. God has created all of us with. We woke up this morning, baby. We are here. At least these 5,000-6,000 people that's on this live. And those are ones that didn't wake up this morning, y'all, I pray for their family. And I hope everything go well and everything, stay strong. Because I know a lot of people did not wake up this morning, So I really pray, keep, my prayers into each family that lost a loved one that didn't wake up this morning, because we did. We woke up this morning. That's why I say we got to give God all the praise. So by that being said, y'all, if ain't nobody told y'all today that they love y'all, then guess what? God loves you, and so do Miss Netta. Peace. Go get these seasonings.
Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Marcos. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel, everyone who is seeing my videos. Thank you so much. In case you're watching this video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to share. Now, Mrs. Netta apologized to the Jamaicans, but it seems the Jamaicans are not yet ready to forgive her. Let's see what some of them had to say in this video. I'll be back with more views.
It's something on the internet where that disrespect Jamaica food and then want to send apology. Like we the Jamaican public don't want it. Cause I don't know what make your face look like you drop in a tile. I'll feel man look to much strong. A drunk stomach him have lie down with you. But him lucky when him lie down outside of you and turn out 2 o'clock in the morning and see him not jump up. But you come at these people. Me say me see video, I could watch like because to your face sick my stomach. Me not tell a lie, your face and your body. Cause me don't know where you get that Louis Vuitton suit there. Louis Vuitton cousin. To all you look man, you know if you walk and make no trouble. Me not gonna lie. You should not walk and make no trouble to all your face look and all your body look. You need to pick a struggle. You can't cry like dog and you can't look so and shape so and walk and make trouble about people food. You're not supposed to do it. But yeah. Cause you look up for your sick my stomach, man. Every time I remember about it. Me I tell you, me don't know what make your face look like greater so. Me not tell no lie, man. I want to come this food. Look upon you. Just look at you. Take a good look at you. Jesus, me say every time I remember a flashback, me frightened. No, man. If you go starring at the show and come off the internet, yeah, you're upset. We don't want an apology from you either. Yeah, I move from you so. Move your ugly looking. You know what? I can behave myself before, you know what? Later.
Public service announcement. You see, Jamaicans, we're not trouble you first. We're not going to provoke you first. We're not going to be the one to throw the first punch. However, let me fix my glasses. You see, the minute you come for our culture or food, especially or athletes or music, Bob Marley, Usain Bolt, any of those people, prepare to be sick of Jamaicans. Because Miss Netta how do you say it? FAFO. Cause she's apologizing. Let me tell you something. Jamaicans are going to drag you to the moon, back, wash you, rinse you, throw you down, everything, because we're not the ones to mess with you first. And don't come for us if we didn't send for you. Because when you do, baby, the gauntlet will be thrown at you. Trust me. Like, I have just gone down a rabbit hole with the responses to Miss Netta about Jamaican KFC. The world knows that Jamaica has the best KFC. Like, it's not the 13 flavors from the Colonel, right? It's our flavors, right? It tastes different. It does. And I've gone to many places and it does. It is the best. But let me tell you something. Until they are satisfied, and then we're just gonna be like, you know what, she's not even, she, I don't know what to say, is not even worth it. Whatever she it's good times. Good times.
Andolo. Netta, don't piss me off. Miss Netta, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Netta, don't piss me off. Netta, don't piss me off. Some people apologize, so we don't want it. Nobody apologize. If you take apologize, go find help scientists them in the lab, find out the hour. Because nobody don't know the hour. Nobody don't understand the hour. Nobody don't figure out yet the hour. So nobody come with the fuckery. We don't want your apology. Because you cannot come here. We don't welcome down here. One time we saw one little sign and say, when you come here, what you see here, let it stay here or don't come back here. Don't come back here. We don't want you down here. I always tell me, say, dog walk too far, their foot broke. We don't got people here doing no manners. We don't have no manners. Because you're not supposed to critique nobody's food. Because you don't cook like you have sense. And the Bible said, lean not on thy own understanding, and that's exactly what you're doing. Kind of cook like you have sense. You're cooking a giant up, or you're cooking a gypsy. Me piece nepe tapa, you put cap and napa kupuk. We don't want you down here. And you 40 more Charles, the next one, one of your parents, now wonder where you're there. You take up yourself straight up, going back a strange face, Netta. Nobody now wonder where you're there. Your parents now look for wonder where you're there. You're going back a nasty face, Netta. Nobody no come in an argument. No deep your mouth in eye. Nobody come in eye. No deep your mouth in there. Because your pants them big like handicap parking spot and full of wrinkle like old age. No deep your mouth in an argument. We don't want you in eye. You're not going to like it. No come in an argument. You see your mouth kind of full of fraud like when you sugar upon Pepsi and Bossy. We don't want you in an argument. Keep out eye. Nobody follow back a dirty face, Netta. Nobody come in eye. Come and chat about food. Disgusting. Go and find a babysitter for your forehead. Because that's a whole human being. Go find somebody to keep your forehead. You come out with the fucker, the foolish. You come back down here. Because me never put on brazier. Go argue with the malnourished brazier so that I can hold up the two sit them in your chest. And I come out with the foolish. Because every girl I know have pitney and penny suck them titty we call the slipper to take a flat. You not have none. And I barefoot for your titty them I walk. I want to see myself, Miss Netta. You piss me off. See I put out seasoner cell. Nobody if I make you put no seasoner cell. I don't know about proportion. You don't know about proportion. Because you shape by 26/1. And see you see what I the way you see your face. You have 70% forward and 30% bump. And I see your face. You know no proportion. You ain't supposed to sell no season. Because you don't know proportion. You don't know proportion. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. You know why I apologize.
Somebody please go over there and tell Miss Netta that the word is resort. RESORT. Miss Netta said her and Charles went and stayed at the resort. And when they got to the resort, their debit cards were not working and they couldn't buy food. So the food that she speak of, when she speak of Jamaica's food, is the food that was given to her and Charles at the resort. Well, Miss Netta, I got news for you. The results are in, and the results are the Jamaicans is eating your ass up like you should have ate that food up, baby. Because, oh, God, they turning you heavy way but loose. But yeah, you need to stay over there in that trailer if you don't know where you're going, baby. You're staying at a resort, okay? It's not a resort. Lord Jesus, they get anybody a little bit of money, I tell you. Girl, get your ass in the house. Man, boy, I don't know. Get in the house, Joe. Talking about a damn resort.
So apparently somebody named Miss Netta made the mistake on this Jamaican food. This Jamaican food. And when me tell her say the Jamaican them a dab him up. Me no know if it's a woman or a man. Me no know. Anyway. But whatsoever, the Jamaicans them are doing bad. But I saw the apology. So unu go easy. Panana man, unu go easy on her because she apologized. So she never said that she didn't like Jamaicans. She liked Jamaicans and we are some nice people and everything, but she just didn't like the food. And that's okay, guys. It's alright. I don't know if somebody not like her cuisine, you don't know which part of Ochi she go. You don't know which resort she did go. You don't know who cook the food and gear. And everybody can cook good. So give her that. Maybe she never really actually taste some proper Jamaican cooking. But damn, I the wrong thing. Hey, I don't know put Jamaicans in her. Listen, I never see a set of people proud so yet. No, sir. Seriously. No, sir. No, we are badly man.
Okay, so Netta, Miss Netta, you say what? Wait. So I finally get to see the video that everybody talking about where Miss Netta talk about Jamaican food, and I was like, what she done say? Maybe she said the food didn't taste good, fine. But she took it to a whole different level. Like, even I was pissed off, and I'm not from Jamaica. She was like, the food was disgusting. Okay. And then what even ticked me off was she said the bootleg KFC. The little bootleg KFC fried chicken didn't taste good. Ma'am, Trinidad and Jamaica have the best KFC in the world. In the world. You lost all credibility with that alone, okay? And then she talk about they don't have American rum. We have the best rum in the Caribbean. What are you talking about? Like, what? What? And then she said they have Jamaican juices. Find the right words. You go to a country and expect them to have you in Jamaica. You in Jamaica. Just tell me that your taste buds is not up to par. Just tell me that you're not sophisticated like that and you cannot appreciate other type of cuisines. Yeah. You're wrong for that. And every Jamaican that coming for your head, you deserve it and more. Because you're crazy. Like, what? You talk about you could have go up there and fried chicken? Baby, I'll take a Caribbean chicken over American chicken anytime. What are you talking about? And the rum anytime. What are you talking about? And the juices what? Nah. Something wrong with you, Miss Netta. You done lost your mind. You lost your mind. And don't go back in them people in them country because they now want you back in there. You're too feisty.
Y'all, I just watched a video of Miss Netta saying that Jamaican food is nasty. Are you kidding me? Jamaican food is one of the best foods. Like, Haitian and Jamaican food, top tier together. Like, I'm just so confused. Jamaican food? Are you kidding me? Oxtail, jerk chicken? And then she goes on to say that Jamaica only had Jamaican rum and Jamaican juices and stuff like that and products. You're in Jamaica. I don't think people understand what the point of going on vacation for. So you're going on vacation to eat American food? Like, you're in Jamaica. What products did you expect? Like, are y'all stupid? Like, I remember going to Mexico and both times we went to all-inclusive place and they had American food, and I was annoyed because I don't want no freaking pancakes or waffles for breakfast. I want tacos. Where's the Mexican food at? Like, you know? So I'm so confused. Like, what do you people go on vacation for? If you're gonna do the same thing you're doing at home, what is the point of going? Just to say you went? Like, I'm so confused. She said they only had Jamaican products. Like, I can't believe she said that out of her mouth. People are just, oh my God, slow.
Y'all make sure y'all go in the bio and make sure that y'all purchase these lovely Miss Netta and Charles seasoning. And then again, thank you guys so much for y'all support. Thank you guys so very much for purchasing the seasons. Thank y'all so much. And again, I want to mention it one more time before I get off of here, because I'm not gonna probably address it anymore again. I want to give my deepest apology to the Jamaican communicate people, and I want to let them know that I apologize for saying that their food was bad. I didn't mean it like that their food was bad. What I meant was that the result that we stayed on, food was not good at all. But I did not mean to you guys that y'all have bad food and y'all food is nasty. I did not mean that. So any of y'all that's watching, that's thinking about going to Jamaica, the food ain't nasty. Just don't go to the resort I went to. Just stay away from the resorts. Go to the restaurants and stuff like that. Don't eat their food. Because I guarantee you, I promise you, if our cars and stuff would have been working, we would have been at a restaurant in Jamaica. Okay? But we couldn't. So that was our fault. It wasn't Jamaican's fault or nothing like that. That was our fault. But again, I'm sorry. Thank y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for watching. My seasons is in the bio. And I love all of y'all as well too. And just like I say, y'all, today is Tuesday. It is a blessed Tuesday. God has created all of us with. We woke up this morning, baby. We are here. At least these 5,000-6,000 people that's on this live. And those the ones that didn't wake up this morning, y'all, I pray for their family. And I hope everything go well and everything, you know, stay strong. Because I know a lot of people did not wake up this morning, you know. So I really pray, keep, you know, my prayers into, you know, each family that lost a loved one that didn't wake up this morning, because we did. We woke up this morning. That's why I say we got to give God all the praise. So by that being said, y'all, if ain't nobody told y'all today that they love y'all, then guess what? God loves you, and so do Miss Netta. Peace. Go get these seasonings.
You know, so from me a little pitney, there's been this unofficial, unwritten law that you cannot say anything bad about Jamaica unless you are Jamaican. Even if you're Jamaican and you say nothing about the people, they will still turn down upon you and cuss you. But the rule is, you cannot say anything bad or negative about Jamaica unless you come from down at Jamaica. Don't start to up. Don't say nothing bad about we. Don't say nothing bad about our culture. Don't say nothing bad about our food. Don't say nothing bad about nothing where you come from Jamaica, because you don't come from down there. Now, Miss Netta learned the hard way. So she never did say nothing bad about the culture yet, because it's one thing with Jamaican people. Whenever it comes to anybody disrespecting us and our culture, everybody will come together. We could have hate each other, we cuss each other, we fight each other. But once you come say something bad, we're together, man. The cohesiveness is unfathomable. May I tell you, we can't fathom the level of cohesiveness where we're gonna have if you come cuss you. Because we're gonna cuss you back. We're gonna cuss you. If you not come from down there, don't say nothing about down there. Just don't do it.
So tell me something. Me come on TikTok and me see this Ishi looking, Muffadile looking. You ever see the back of them old tree that we are dead looking creature on TikTok at talk about Jamaica food not taste good? Take we out of your mouth, lady. Take we out of your mouth, because I don't even know if you're a man or a woman. Take we out of your mouth, because them they sitting there with me see her cook. I wouldn't even take a long spoon and taste your food. And you want to come this up Jamaica food, don't do it. And I don't know where you're going. I could never Jamaica. Or you probably not have no taste bud in your mouth. Or probably just used to the taste bad food them where you cook. Don't do it. Take it out of your mouth. You should have never go there. No say so, man. No, you should have never go there. You're out of order. Go fix your face. Look like when two cars collide. I don't know what kind of face that you carry around. But the time you talk about Jamaica food taste bad, go fix your face. It not looks alright here.
It's Netta, you know I learn. You not get to speak the word Jamaica in your mouth ever again. We don't want your apology. Take your apology, see, wrap it up like newspaper and tough you up in your body wall. We don't want no apology from you. And meanwhile at it, wrap up your face and shove up in your body wall to come and know you can't fit. We don't want no apology from you. You're out of order. It's too soon, Netta. We don't want no apology. Make somebody else come piss you off and we'll forget about you first. We're not ready for you yet. Keep your apology. Digest pan it. We don't want it. And now man International Airport and Jamaica and Sangsa International Airport, you're not supposed to cross none of them borders there. Me not care if you swim like the fish you are across the ocean. You not get to come back pan for a nice island, yeah? You're out of order. So fix yourself.
Miss Netta, away about me in the morning for? Eh? Away about me in the morning for me get up and go make comment pound the out order is what you are talking about. Because first thing me want to say, if me see you, the first thing, you couldn't give me nothing to eat. You could never give me nothing to eat. That's the first thing. And let me tell you something. You can talk about Jamaican food. You talk about Jamaican juice. Eh? Jamaican food. First thing, listen. Some of you up here, you no season chicken, you no boiled chicken, and you no fried. Okay? Me no know what kind of cooking is that. No nasty way of cooking. That's why I not got people here. That's why I not eat from people. Everybody said to me, say, oh, no matter where me go, me I try to in the kitchen for help cook because I want to see how they cook. The only place me go the other day is a wedding and it was an Asian wedding. And when me I tell us that the food was well put down because me's a funny person. Me smell everything. And if me ever taste it and you don't have certain taste on it, me no want it. So me no know which part of the and I feel with Jamaica you go. Me think you go one had a Jamaica. Me have to go look up anywhere in the world where I can't Queens Jamaica because Queens Jamaica, Jamaican people they can really cook. So me have to go look on the map to see which part else the name Jamaica can't feel with Jamaica you go. Yeah? We can't feel with Jamaica. And juice, we not talk about carrot juice, plum juice, apple juice, any juice we make with ginger and with lime and them something there. Me no know which Jamaica you go, but I know for Jamaica you go. You have to go back again, but I know for Jamaica you have to go. I can't for Jamaica you go. But you and we're talking about our KFC. Which part else KFC nice? Because me come America and me live America and me no buy KFC up here. Cause first thing you pull it raw. It's very raw. And you come talk about we're talking about for with fried chicken. Eh? No, man. You have to go tell me which Jamaica you go, kind of which Jamaica you go.
Well, I just saw the video of what Netta said about Jamaican food. And this is exactly why Caribbean people that say stay out of our business. A couple of things. Macaroni pie and baked macaroni are two different dishes. Yes, they are comprised of the same thing, but the preparation is different. There are differences. So just because you see mac and cheese doesn't mean that it's what you know. And no, people don't have to stop making something because you don't like it. A couple of other things now. You have to have belly to deal with a lot of Caribbean cuisine. Netta could have said, you know what? It's a little spicy for me, which is understandable. You could have said, you know what? I had this, and this type of dish. I didn't really like the texture of it. There were so many things you could have said instead of calling people's cultural food disgusting. That's why I was not distracted by Mr. Man who was making the thing in his pants dance, calling doubles the way it looked disgusting. I didn't forget that. Even though he said it tastes good, but you don't look at someone's food and say, oh, this looks disgusting. Who raised you? Were you dragged up? I said what I said. And if you don't like how something tastes, you have to keep in mind you are outside of your culture. And you have to say, you know what? I don't like, because I know plenty of Jamaicans that don't like ackee. Me, I love ackee. But I know plenty of Jamaicans that don't like it. But they're not going to turn around and say, oh, in someone's face, oh, your food is disgusting. They would just say, oh, no, thank you. Oh, that's not for me. Oh, you know, I really don't like that too much. They're not going to disrespect a whole set of people by saying that they're cultural foods that they prepare with love. Let me tell you something. People from the Caribbean cook food with love. You understand? Is loving that food. And for you to turn around and say it's disgusting, I can't wait for the universe to shake you up, because that's exactly what it's going to do. And you just keep putting your gigantic foot in your big fat mouth. And to close, Caribbean people are not people you want to ramp with, but you see Jamaican people? Jamaican people are not a set of people you want to ramp with. You are going to get words flung at you that you're not going to understand, but you're going to feel. You're going to feel it. You're going to be like, this don't feel good. And you deserve it. For the most part, I'll be like, yo, y'all be picking on Netta, y'all be picking on Netta, y'all be picking on Netta. And then I see why. I see why.
Me Jamaican and me afraid for attack a Jamaican or class one Jamaican come in and say whole village ever come down for me. But Netta never know say they have some people over Instagram who call pink wall. It's like them got school for disrespect you. Like them got school for disrespect you. Them not care. Them the people that come like them got university for classing, for rub out. Some Netta next time I wrong race. Try one different race. Try like something different. Try something when I speak English. Try some Spanish country. Not try them. You see one when you call Jamaican, when you see them, you run. Not trouble them the people there. The people there will rub you out. You see how they come as a community, they not like them one another, you know. But then come as a community for disrespect, yeah. So as me say, when you see them one day, you just run. Not trouble them one day. Them one day will tear it down, come down good.
Netta said she don't like Jamaican food, and I just really believe that you don't like food. Because what? What do you mean you don't like Jamaican food? Like, no oxtail, no rice and peas, no brown stew. Well, now, if she would have came up here and said, I had some ackee and I didn't like it. All right. But for you to just wipe off the whole Jamaican cuisine, are you slow? Yeah, actually. But, like, what do you mean? No red snapper? Child, I want to make me some right now. No goats. She's slow. Shim slow. They slow. They gonna eat her ass up. Anyway, gotta go. Bye.
Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you have watched that video. Now, Mrs. Netta disrespected Jamaican food. She said Jamaican food is not good, it's not tasty. Now, after that, the Jamaicans were furious online. So I think she apologized for that. But it seems the Jamaicans are not ready to forgive her. They're even saying she's not welcomed in Jamaica. Now, Mrs. Netta apologized. She was sorry for disrespecting Jamaican food. But the Jamaicans are still mad at her. They are saying they cannot let that go. You cannot disrespect our culture, our food, and go with it. So, Mrs. Netta is still not welcomed in Jamaica. That's what they are saying. So, I don't know what she will do about that, because the Jamaicans did not accept her apology. And they are not even ready to accept her apology. So guys, let's interact in the comment section. Do you think it was right for Mrs. Netta to apologize to the Jamaicans? Do you think the Jamaicans should forgive her, or they should continue with what they're doing because they're not ready to forgive her? What do you think? What do you think about that, guys? Let's interact in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.